Got 2 handles.
January 10th, 2011.
Hold on. Say hello to mommy. Hold on.
Hi.
Uh-oh.
Look in the mirror.
The gate.
The gate's fine. Hold on to my baby girl.
Just hold the handles.
It is cold out here and it's raining.
Wait till mommy.
Was that fun?
One more?
Yeah.
One more, then we're going to go to the other hill.
Okay.
Mommy,
Hi. You guys ready?
Yeah.
get your handles.
I got him.
Okay. Hold on. Do that right there.
Chloe, look at me. Look at me, Chloe. Chloe, look at me.
Look at mommy.
Hi.
Camera, roll it.
Hey.
Okay, here we go.
Woo!
Oh. All right, here we go. Yeah, it's okay. Hop in. Hop in. You ready?
No.
Yes?
Red.
Yes? You having fun, Chloe, yet?
Chloe, look at me. She's having a blast.
Hold on, if you're alive. You're on the wall.